Are you looking for ways
to make your books more visible? We at getAbstract have been connecting publishers with readers
since 1999.
getAbstract is the world's largest library of business book summaries. Over 1/3 of Fortune 500 companies use our service to stay up to date on the best business knowledge out there.
getAbstract book summaries serve as teasers and recommendations. By partnering with us, you can reach audiences well beyond your current marketing channels.
We recommend books in weekly newsletters,
White papers,
our blog and social media posts,
and in customized promo boxes on company portals.
Authors can share their insights in our author interviews, monthly webinars, and social media video series.
We work with prestigious media outlets around the world
to promote noteworthy titles.
And every year we acknowledge authors for their outstanding achievements
through the getAbstract International Book Award. And the cost to you?
Zero.
Because we share a goal of promoting first-rate business books.
Join over 800 international publishers
and become part of getAbstract today.